Let's compare distressed Black Heavystock with distressed Mixed Media Heavystock. The Mixed Media Heavystock is 110 pound, the Black Heavystock is 125 pound, so it's a little bit thicker. The black also has a beautiful suede finish. Both of them are smooth, but the black just definitely has a different feel, and it really feels like suede. You can use these for wet techniques as well as dry techniques. Here I'm just stamping with distress inks as well as oxide inks. You'll see on the black cardstock you don't see the distress ink because it's transparent, whereas you do see the oxide because it's got a dye pigment blend, and that pigment property makes it a little bit opaque. So you'll see that you can see some bright vivid green on here, and once I'm done stamping I'm going to lightly mist those cardstocks in order to have the pigment qualities from the oxide really come to life. And I only lightly mist them because you don't want the ink to run. On the black you wouldn't see the ink running as much because it's the dye part that starts to do the running, whereas the pigment part stays where it is. On the light cardstock you'll see that when I mist it liberally you really see that dye start to bleed and blend out, but if you look closely you can see the image, the pigment part of the image stays in place. Both of these are fantastic cardstocks to work with. It just depends on the look that you're going for, but they can both handle wet and dry techniques and pretty much anything you can throw at it.